Make money just napping. Earn money snoring. Earn money to snooze. Earn money to doze. Man, I found this website where they pay you $1,500 just to go to sleep. Okay. If you're interested in that, then keep watching this video. If you're new here to my channel, or if you return to my channel, please hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below to let me know how to improve my videos, or if you know various ways to make money online. That's what I do. I find various ways for people to make money online, and I share them with the world. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. And also, these ways will be free and paid ways. So some videos you may have to invest money, other videos you won't have to. It's entirely up to you. But yeah, let's get into today's video. I found this website that shows you that pays you actually $1,500 to sleep. Okay, to be a professional napper. Would you like $1,500 to be a professional napper? Of course you would. Okay, so the website is called eachnight.com. Basically, what Each Night is, this is a website that provides valuable information to people to sleep better. Whether it's mattresses, side sleepers, heavy sleepers, they provide all this valuable information to help you sleep better. Because obviously, the more you sleep, the better way you wake up in the morning, I guess. Want to be a professional napper will pay you $1,500 to nap. Each night may earn commission for products in their articles. Basically, what they're saying. We are obsessed with sleep, and our main goal each night is to give you all the assets and information you need to sleep better each night. So we wanted to test a few theories behind the pros and cons of napping to provide our community with some valuable insight. We know that in general, different lengths naps have different benefits, but we are keen to put this to the test, and we need your help. We are currently hiring for a team of 5 people to become nap reviewers and get paid to nap. Also, we are not joking. Wow, this is a really good opportunity to become a nap reviewer. They pay $1,500 to nap, people. $1,500 to nap. Okay, so this is very good opportunity. Team of nap reviewers will need to be prepared to start work right away, as well as being committed to napping every 30 days. Applicants must be able to sleep alone during the testing period to ensure that naps are undisturbed. All applicants must also have strong English writing skills in order to accurately carry out the reviews of their naps and follow any relevant instructions. Okay, we extended our application deadline until June 30th. I wonder, is that June 30th to next year? Still, it's worth trying to apply for. Applicants from all countries are welcome. You must be 18 years of age or older. Okay, this is completely legit, and I can prove it to you. There's another website, CNN. Okay, CNN has made an article on each night. Okay, if CNN does a story on a website, then this gotta be real. Okay, that's what each night, a company focused on sleep health, is offering $1,500 for taking a nap every 30 days. Taking a nap every 30. Okay, so you earn $1,500 for the month. Not bad. On here it says, yeah. So they'll pay you $1,500 for 30 days, but this is covered by CNN, people. CNN did a story on it, so I mean, this gotta be real. So let's see how you can apply for it. Scroll down. So basically, you're gonna enter your email address. Put your name in. Let me go ahead and try it. I guess, I don't know. Put your name in. I'm may blur this out. I don't know. I video purposes, I don't want to put my date of birth in here, but put your date of birth in here. Enter the country you live in. Put the state where you currently live in, and please tell us a little about why you think you would make an excellent nap reviewer, including your love of sleep, napping, and any relevant review writing experience. Okay, so let's try. I mean, basically, you just enter a little something here. I enjoy sleeping and taking naps. I don't want to enter something that's make us money hungry. We just want the 1500. We want to do this for the 1500. We want to help each night out. Okay, so I also have trouble sleeping at night. Oh my god, I can't spell. Due to the amount of stress I obtain from my job, family, or from my family. I believe studies of my sleep patterns will not only help me out, but give the valuable information each night.com needs to help other people sleep better at night. Okay, something like that is pretty good. Are you able to commit to 30 days? Yes. Hit submit. Okay, and that's all there is to it. They will contact you. Now, I have heard in the past that if their positions are filled, they'll let you know in the email. If you do get that type of email, try it again, apply for it again, or scroll down here, come back to eachnight.com. It's a pretty long webpage. Come down here, go to contact us, and put your email in here and your name, and just put in a message like, hello, I applied for a nap reviewer position. I'm not sure that's better, right? I received an email telling me that all positions are filled, but I am still interested in becoming a nap reviewer when a new position is available. Is there by any chance you can let me know when a new position opens up? Thank you for your time. Say something like that and send a message, okay? So this is eachnight.com. They pay, let me check my recording, and I am recording. They pay $1,500 to people for sleeping, okay? You be a professional nap reviewer, basically. They want to do a sleep study on people, observe how they sleep, and be able to provide that. I don't think they'll post that video of you sleeping on the internet and anything like that. They're just make include that in their studies, how you sleep, whether you toss and turn, whether you wake up in the middle of the night, anything like that. So this is my review on eachnight.com. I will leave a link in the description of the video where you can apply to become a nap reviewer. But that's all the time I have for today's video. I'm sorry if I stuttered, if I stalled in the video. I'm trying to get better in talking. But if you do like today's video and you find this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon so you'll be notified when we upload a new video. Leave a comment down below as well, so that way, and I will respond to you. I'll try to get back to you. Let us know how we did in each video. Let us know about eachnight.com, or if you know of another site, I will cover that site as well. Okay, well, thank you for watching. See you in the next video, people. Stay happy, stay safe. Bye bye.